I still remember I was talking to a coach of mine,
Yeah.
and they noticed a lump in my throat. And
Okay.
then before talking further, they asked me about that because there was something in the conversation which was causing me to react, which was causing me to feel anxiety, and they noticed it in my throat.
Yeah.
And then they questioned me right then and there. Tell me about this. Like, let's stop our conversation and tell me what is making you uncomfortable right now. And that allowed me to see something which I would not have seen on my own at all.
Yeah.
Right? So the power of a good coach is really who can show you the mirror, who can stop you, sometimes challenge you, provoke you,
Yeah.
to show you the mirror that if you say that you want to grow, then this is a moment for you that you need to face,
Yeah.
that you need to address. You cannot just sidetrack it.
Exactly. The coach is there to challenge you, also to challenge you to challenge yourself. Because at that point, that's the only way you're going to grow or move past or move from things, I guess.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
I think the coaching journey is not always comfortable.
Yeah.
In fact, like one of my roles as a coach is to serve you, not to please you.
Yeah.
That might mean saying something which I wouldn't tell you as a friend.
Exactly.
So it's very easy to talk about regular stuff in the regular way that we do with friends.
Yeah.
But with coaching, if I do that, then I'm not serving you. And sometimes I help you get out of that the same vicious cycle
Yeah.
of a particular style of language or thinking, and see that like this is stopping you. Can you see that this is stopping you? Can you see that this way of thinking is coming in the way?
Yeah.
And sometimes that can be confronting. So if you can provide that safe space for somebody to really be okay with that, that's a huge opportunity for growth.
Exactly.